Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I kind of want to just come on and vlog a little bit and also tell you some of the ways I'm getting through this whole social distancing thing, some things that I think could help you guys out there who are not used to working from home, who are very like social people, stuff like that. Like I'm an extrovert, I work from home, and I just kind of wanted to share some things that I think are good to still do during this time to help with your mental health, your physical health, just all that kind of stuff. It's a weird time right now, as all of you know. We're all trying to, or at least I hope you are, trying to stay home as much as possible. And yeah, the only reason I'm leaving is to go to the grocery store, and even then we just stocked up on stuff and shouldn't have to leave for a long time, so I'm happy about that. Obviously right now mental health is like a big thing. I think it is very important obviously to stay informed as to what's going on, but also I think with your mental health, reading too much about what's going on is really going to affect you. If you always have the news on, if you're always reading articles, if you're like in that rabbit hole, you're just gonna be worried, and too much screen time is never good. So if you're one of those people who's like just deep diving into everything, I would say put your phone down, turn off your TV, you know, play some music, listen to your favorite music, upbeat, lighthearted stuff, anything that's gonna get your mood boosted. Open all your windows. I have our windows open right now. You don't have to like physically open them if it's cold outside still, but like open all those blinds, all the shades, get that natural light in, because without that natural light, you're gonna feel like a vampire, trust me. I'm big on natural light, and I always have to open all the blinds, and it just makes me feel a lot better. So that's definitely a big one, is natural lighting. If you can get outside, if you're not in a populated city, somewhere where like us, we are in an apartment complex, but there's not a lot of people around. So we've been going on walks, which is amazing. It gets my dog exercise. It gets us exercise, get some vitamin D, fresh air. Like if it is safe for you to go outside, definitely do it, because it's gonna help so much. As well, on that note, exercise. Like seriously, release those endorphins, get your body moving, go for a walk, exercise inside your home. There are so many different resources that I will try and leave in. I'll probably make this into a blog post as well, just like my tips and tricks for you guys. But like, there are so many different gyms doing Facebook Lives. I know Pure Barre is doing it. My mom said Planet Fitness is doing it. The Tone It Up app, they are doing a free month. You don't even have to put a credit card in, and you can get short little home workouts with that. You could go for a run. You could do sprints outside. You could do literally so many different exercises, but just get your blood moving, because you won't realize how much you're actually sitting at home. If you are someone who, you know, goes to work, you walk around the office, if you do some kind of work where you're walking around a lot, but you can't right now, you're working from home, you need to like move your body and everything. And obviously just keep up on your health, buy your fruits and veggies. I've seen so much produce at the stores, and like a lot of other things is sold out. So we stocked up on a bunch of produce. If we need to, we will freeze some of it. But yeah, that's just like another thing that I think is kind of interesting. Like people aren't really focusing on their health in this time. You should be focusing on getting all those micronutrients to really like, you know, make yourself stay healthy. Obviously wash your hands, do all that kind of stuff. But like, yeah, that's like a main thing. I work in front of a window as well. If you can situate your desk like this, in front of a window like this, do it, because it's gonna help with, again, the natural light, making things light and bright and nice. The other thing I love to do is light candles. If you don't have any candles in your house, you could order some from online right now, or if you have an oil diffuser, something to get things like smelling really nicely and uplifting. So I actually have both right here. So I have my little oil diffuser, and I have different ones. I have peppermint, which is really great and uplifting, energizing. I have anxiety relief, which is kind of like a lavender mixture, which I love lavender. If you're feeling stressed out, use lavender. And then this one is lemongrass. A lemon oil or an orange oil is really great as well, and just kind of like energizing. And then if you do want to order something from Walmart, oops, sorry, Luna Girl. If you do want to order something from Walmart, I highly recommend this candle. It's like $8.50 for this big one. Look at this. It's like, this is my hand. And it smells amazing. So highly recommend that. That's just going to like lift the mood. At least it does for me, to have everything smelling really nicely and everything else. Another thing that I love to do is get ready. I don't do this every single day, but make sure you're getting up, take a shower, do your makeup if you normally do your hair if you normally do, and it's gonna make it feel like you're going to work kind of thing. And it's gonna just make you feel a lot more productive. I'm not saying you have to be productive every single day. I'm not saying you have to deep clean. I'm not saying any of that kind of stuff. If you need a break, take it. But like, if you are feeling stir crazy, you're not feeling like yourself, it might be because you're not doing your normal routine. And in your normal routine is probably makeup and hair and stuff like that, especially if you follow me, a beauty channel. So do those normal things, and it's gonna make you feel a little bit more like yourself. I was feeling really sluggish and pale and stuff, and I just didn't feel like myself. So last night I put on self-tanner, as you can tell. And then this morning I did my makeup. And yesterday I curled my hair and I put it in a bun last night, so I just kind of left it. But do your hair, do your makeup, do your nails if you have stuff at home to do your nails. Like, pamper yourself a little bit and give yourself some self-care, because it's gonna really change your mood, I promise. I also like to keep my house clean. I know it doesn't look like it in the background because I have makeup everywhere, but I've just put away my laundry, and I just like to kind of change my scenery throughout the day as well. Like, go sit on the couch sometimes and work. Go sit at your desk and work. Go sit on your bed and work, but a made bed. That's the other thing. I always make my bed. So yeah, anyway, those are kind of my tips. I will leave more tips for you guys, more suggestions as well. I just wanted to check in. I hope you guys are doing okay with this whole social distancing thing. I know it's a big change for a lot of you. Thank you if you are watching and you are in the healthcare field. If you are still working and you're delivering stuff for like Amazon or the post office, thank you. If you are working at the grocery stores, if you are like doing any of those kind of things that are still open, thank you so much. I appreciate your work. I have so many friends and family that are in the healthcare field, and yeah, it's just, I worry about them. So thank you guys so much for all you guys are doing, and stay safe. And anyway, I just wanted to check in and, I don't know, give a little bit of uplifting advice if you are someone who is working from home. I'm going to be trying to keep everything nice and light on my page, and I'll probably switch up my content a little bit just because of the times. Might do some like fun challenges or something with Caleb if I can rope him into it. And I might even do one where I share like our favorite board games to play, because we have a lot. So I hope you guys are safe, you are doing okay. And another thing I will say is make sure you call your loved ones. I do this on a daily basis with my family. I call my mom, I call my dad, I call my sister, call your cousin, like call people. It'll really help lift your mood. If you can FaceTime them, because seeing their face will really help as well, to just like get that socialization that you're missing on a day-to-day basis. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more content coming soon. And I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye guys.